Assalamualaikum and welcome to our presentation project. So our group consists of three members, which is AMIRUL HAFIZI, me as BADRUN MUARRIF, and lastly is Muhammad NURSYAHMI bin Muhammad SALI. So our group is at the group 8. So let's go. Firstly, I will presenting about the introduction, which is consists of CMMS and also the white cloud X. Okay, before that, I will explain first about the review drawing, which is the location that we choose. The building is the NSK Trade City, which is in Muar. So the project location for the building itself, it's located at the Mukim Kesang, number 1, Jalan Riverem, Kawasan Perindustrian Tanjung Agas, 84,000 Muar, Johor. Next, it is start business on 12 December 2020 by replacing the giant hypermarket. So next, I will explain about the facility itself. In the building, divided by two levels, which is ground level that consists of parking lots, shop lot, boutiques, bakery, drugstore, gadget shop, bank, and etc. So the first level is the NSK supermarkets, consists of warehouse and other shop lot. So the building itself consists of the length is 230 meter, the width itself is 50 meter, and the height is 10 meters. As I mentioned earlier, it consists of two levels, which is the ground level and the first level. Lastly, I will talk about the concept of the building itself. The design concept of the warehouse with the spacious space and the high roof. It also equipped with the fire safety system. Next, elevator, escalator, people with disabilities, or which we can call it as PWD, and also emergency exit. Okay, so the building itself is like this, and also the map location is mentioned at the slide there. Okay, next, what is CMMS actually? The definition of CMMS is a software package that maintains a computer database of information of an organization's maintenance operation. This information is intended to help the maintenance worker to do their jobs more effectively, such as to determine which machine require a maintenance and which storerooms that contain the spare part they needed, and to help the management make informed decisions. For example, calculating the cost of the machine breakdown, repair versus the preventive maintenance for each machine, possibly leading to a better allocation of resources. Next, CMMS data is also to be used to verify the regulatory compliance. To properly control the maintenance of facility, information is required to analyze what is occurring. Manually, this requires a tremendous amount of effort and time. CMMS also allows for record keeping to track the completed and assign the timely and costly effectiveness manner. Next, a CMMS offers multiple core maintenance functionalities. It is not limited to manufacturing, but expands to the facilities, utilities, fleet, hospitals, sport arenas, and any types of equipment or asset that are subjected to a repair and need maintenance. With improved technology and increased competition, lot of organizations are switching to CMMS rather than using a manual methods to track and organize the information. The different components of CMMS is included but also not limited to equipment data management, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, labor, work order system, schedule or work planning, vendor management, inventory control, purchasing, budgeting, and also asset tracking. So next, this is our main topic, which is white cloud CMMS. So we choose this CMMS as our base project. while Cloud X is defined as a cloud-based maintenance management software that manages in command of entire operation, allowing the user to collaborate with the teams, engage with end users, and makes more of an impact with the resources. The function of white cloud X, I can explain about in terms of preventive maintenance. Firstly, it auto triggers of a preventive maintenance work order. Second, it access a view of current and future preventive maintenance activities. Third, the notification to be sent to the assigned technician when a preventive maintenance is generated. The fourth, to capture the real-time starts and the stop times for the inspection, view the inspection instruction, and indicates the inspection is a pass or fail. The fifth, generate the corrective work order when equipment fails inspection. And the last, generate the QR code for each asset for technician to scan on the mobile device. Next, for the function of white cloud X, the second is corrective maintenance. First, it can view a report, dashboard, or list view of all open work orders. Second, it sign off work orders with a digital signature. The third, it can establish a custom workflow process for submitting, approving, rejecting, and completing work requests. Number four, it submit the work request anytime, anywhere, including the picture uploaded. The fifth, to reduce the paperwork waste. Six, to record the real-time repair duration with the start and stop functions. Number seven, to capture the response and the breakdown time. And the last one is to able to set the service level agreement SLA to ensure the high standard of operational work. Next, I will explain about the asset management as the function of white cloud X. First, the store asset nameplate information and create the barcode label for all assets to be accessed quickly and seamlessly. Second, generate the calendar-based preventive maintenance for each asset to ensure all planned maintenance is being performed on time and correctly. Third, to put detailed documentation to work performed on each asset and attach picture, document, and links. And lastly, to view all work history, failure, and warranty information related to each asset to easily making a budget decision. And the last one is the spare part management to access all parts information in a list view, including the location, on-hand amount, unit cost, and item number, image of parts attached for easily identification. Second, to relate the parts to assets and preventive maintenance to automatically let technicians know which parts are used to repair an asset or perform a preventive maintenance task. Third, use the QR codes to scan and view parts records instantly on a mobile device. And the last one is to require to submit the parts request for approval before the part is charged out.
Alright, so I will proceed with the process of complaints, which is this step will make by using white cloud X software. This process involves both preventive and also corrective maintenance. This complaint process is made based on the damage that may occur and that has already occurred, and therefore the process for both maintenance complaint is shown below. Alright, so this is the preventive maintenance process. Okay, firstly, we need to make a new preventive maintenance order, which is fill up the location, section, asset, type, and assign to. So as you can see from this picture, we have maintenance type, location, section, asset, type, and assign to. So this is the example of the interface of the white cloud app for preventive maintenance process. Okay, next. Secondly, we have select the date and make a complaint and write in the description what are the defects So, and next we have submit the order. And lastly, after submitting the order, we need to wait until the others group make the solution. Alright, so the next is corrective maintenance process. Alright, so firstly, we need to make a new corrective maintenance order by click new work order. And after that, we need to fill up the location, section, asset, breakdown date, defective, category, and assign to. So as you can see from this picture, we have location, section, asset, breakdown date, and also defective. What are the defects? So next, after that, we need to attach the picture that shows what defect that has been occurred. So for this example, we have a door problem, so which is the defect is about door leaf and door knob are break due to the vandalism. So this is the defects. Alright, so after that, we need to submit the order. And lastly, after submitting the order, we need to wait for the assigned team to respond the work order.
For a conclusion, CMMS software plays a crucial role in combining preventive and corrective maintenance plans, since it allows managers to monitor the entire stock of equipment and assets by establishing and controlling the corrective or preventive maintenance plans. Despite the apparent advantages of preventive maintenance, there is equipment that, by nature, must be associated with corrective maintenance plans. Through the CMMS solution, it is possible to control all the maintenance processes by following the activities performed in real time, see the material consumed, services rendered, and related costs. All the recorded information becomes part of each asset history, allowing to quickly understand its performance, the number of repairs and inherent costs, service life, and contribution to the company's profitability. Moreover, all the information is accessible in real time. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.